What do you got going on here, Jordan?
Drilling holes!
Nice. So what you making?
Brackets. Sweet.
It's almost like you planned that.
Almost. I eyeballed this one, at least I didn't just completely guess.
Might have to notch the center there though, eh?
Yeah. I'll notch your center.
You sick fuck.
And trim those off.
So what do we have going on here today, Jordan?
We are making ourselves some packing wheels for our, I don't want to, Mexican cedar.
Planting Mexicans.
Yeah.
There's a big market for that.
We're gonna go Mexicans. Did you know that soapstone doesn't work when it's covered in oil?
No, neither does Sharpie.
You know what else works better though?
What's that?
Eyeball it.
Yep.
I don't really feel like cutting it with concrete. Instead we'll cut wood. Drinking glasses! I'm gonna stick with this side. I don't know how it ended up over there. But that would be what we call a safety hazard.
You must have done women's training to this week too, eh?
No, I haven't done it yet.
Oh.
Probably should. But...
We don't do women's training at Hunter Creek Farm.
Hey, yes we do.
You don't even know how to spell women's.
No. You know what I can spell? Perfect! Except my bolts are too long. Oh well. So that goes there, this goes there. And
We could cut 1-inch square tube spacers.
they're right here.
Oh.
They're just hot.
Oh. Well, fuck, eh?
And maybe different lengths. No, I'm just seeing things.
Ew.
Clean those up, tack them on, pull it off and weld it.
Then send it to paint.
Send it to paint! That's my new catchphrase. Packer wheels. Fully adjustable. I could probably duct tape right up there.
The drill?
Yeah.
How much you planning on adjusting this thing?
Lots.
Oh. Not too bad for some backyard engineering, eh?
Fucking backyard, redneck, bunch of goofball engineers. We may be rednecks, but we're fucking smart.
Smarter than we look, anyways.
Oh, I don't know. I look kind of smart.
Well, you got me beat then.
Yeah, you look kind of dumb.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Arsehole.
Hey, no problem.
Arsehole.
Listen here. If I wanted your lip, I'd shake my zipper.
I bet you would.
Oh, I would.
Now we just need the seed drop tube and the
And a
seat.
chair.
And a chair. Big old lazy boy hanging out the back.
In here. There.
Perfect.
Drop, drop, drop. Hopefully I can find a good metering system, because if they don't drop it right, I'm going to be angry.
Nobody likes an angry Jordan.
I can make an air seeder.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I get a compressor on the tractor with a tube, and I can just drop the seeds in and
From the tractor.
from the tractor. That'd work. Jeez, these shoes don't like the grinder.
Apparently not. I think this thing looks pretty good.
I don't know what else we're gonna build today now. Now I'm excited, but I don't have any metal.
Oh. Might be beer 30 then.
Oh, it's definitely beer 30. Is it?
Might have to
Oh
check.
wait, yeah, hang on. Break time!
Yep, perfect.